ninang na si Kong Janet Garin. Ang tubig naman po dito ay hindi berde. Ang tubig na lumalabas naman po ay hindi pula. Ang mungkahi ko lang naman po na kung sana ay itatalaga natin itong investigasyon na ito. Sana po ay gagamitin natin ito para hindi po pagtakpan o tabunan ang ilan sa mga mahalagang usapin natin tulad ng mga anomalous billions of flood control projects.
May we also point out, kasi madaling magpa-investigate, but the problem perceives and prevails, ano ang mangyayari sa taong bayan? While we are investigating, saan sila pupunta? Sino ang mag-handle ng serbisyo?
Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, I move to recognize the Honorable Janet Garin, 1st District, Iloilo, for her interpellation.
Honorable Deputy Speaker Janet Garin. You may proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Is our distinguished colleague willing to answer a few queries, Mr. Speaker?
Yes, Mr. Speaker. Gladly.
Mr. Speaker, distinguished colleagues, sa usapang tubig, and I'm referring to potable water that should service every house, every barangay, every town, and every province of what we call our country and our motherland, the Philippines. Sa usapan pong serbisyong tubig, on a macro perspective, ilang porsyento po kaya ang pinagsiserbisyuhan ng prime water, Mr. Speaker, distinguished colleague?
Mr. Speaker, as I've said earlier, there are about 1.7 million households nationwide po. Hindi po ito sa Luzon lang, kasama po ang buong Pilipinas dito, Mr. Speaker.
And if we talk about 1.7 million households, Mr. Speaker, distinguished colleague, will it be appropriate to transcend that to probably around 10 million Filipinos?
Pwede po mangyari yun, Mr. Speaker. It depends on the members of the family. I think ang average po ngayon, hindi po bababa sa 5 or 6 na miyembro ng pamilya. So kung ating pong imumultiply ang 1.7 million households, maybe times 6 po ito. So may possibility po na aabot po between 8 to 10 million individuals or
In other words,
citizens.
Mr. Speaker, distinguished colleagues, nasa 10% ng mamayang Pilipino ang pinagseserbisyuhan ng prime water. Is that the safe estimate, Mr. Speaker?
Yes, Mr. Speaker, kung tayo po ay 110 or 120 million na po ngayon siguro sa ating populasyon, pasok na pasok po itong 10 million. Kaya possible po, Mr. Speaker.
With that, Mr. Speaker, kasi syempre malaki naman po talaga ang 10% ng ating populasyon. How about the 90% of the Filipino people? Are they being served by cooperatives or the private sector? May we know what are the other companies serving and supposedly taking care of potable water to every Filipino household?
Sa aking pong pagkakaalam, bilang kinatawan ng lungsod ng Las Piñas, dito po sa Metro Manila, may 2 malaking